The last steps we have are connecting our power cable and our Ethernet cable to the Connect. The power cable will be standardized for the country you live in and just connect it to a standard wall outlet. So we insert the cable into the bottom of the Connect controller in the provided port, and then this end will just plug into a standard wall outlet. Once we have power connected, simply flip the breaker inside the panel on, and you should start to see lights turn on inside the panel, as well as on the face of the controller. Next, we'll install our Ethernet cable. There is a provided cable gland on the bottom of the controller. Thread your Ethernet cable up through this cable gland. It should be a pretty tight fit. And feed it out through the front of the faceplate. And we'll cinch the cable gland down onto the cable. Now we see our controller is blinking green. That means it's booted up, but it doesn't have an internet connection. So we'll plug that into the port on the side of the controller, like so. The status light is now a slow breathing on and off green color. That takes care of wiring up everything in the Connect. We're going to move back over to the manifold and finish our tubing.